Hey guys, so this is not going to be a usual review video on our channel. This is going to be an unboxing video, the first unboxing video on our channel. And today we have the CoolerMaster's MK750 mechanical RGB keyboard with us. CoolerMaster has released the MK800 and MK850 during CES 2018. However, this is the flagship keyboard that you can buy from CoolerMaster right now in India. So without any further ado, let's just jump right into the unboxing. So before we open the box, let's just have a look at what's outside. This is a 16.7 million colored fully RGB keyboard. All the switches are individually lit. These are all truly Cherry MX blue switches. And yeah, that's it. Let's just open the box and see what we have inside. So we do have a nice packaging out here. Let's just open this as well. Okay, so we are treated here with a USB Type-C cable, which is it's braided and it's looks quite good in quality. So we have that. We have the switches and the keycap puller. We have removed this as we are currently reviewing this keyboard. So do look out for the review. It shall be out soon. And yep, it was vacuum sealed as well, so yeah, whatever, we just opened it. So here we have the actual keyboard in a, I don't know what casing is this, however it's good. So this is the keyboard right here. Looks great. I'm not sure if you can see from the camera, but these all three sides are LED light bars. It's prominent on the left side, however I'm not sure if you can see it clearly. We will do put some shots in the dark so y'all can see how the LED light bar looks. We also do have the wrist rest, which is a great addition since the Master Key series from CoolerMaster. The wrist rest looks great. The build quality is absolutely premium. It's a very high-end keyboard. That's all I would like to say. So guys, that's it for the unboxing. Hope you liked it. If you have any suggestions, do leave it down in the comments below. Like, subscribe, share. Thank you CoolerMaster India for sending us this keyboard. The review will be coming out soon, so make sure y'all subscribe to the channel so y'all can know when the review is out. Y'all will get notified. Do click on the bell icon, and that's it. I will see y'all in the next video.